In this video, you will learn how to create new project on CapCut desktop. So if you want to create new project, all you have to do now after you open the CapCut on your PC or desktop, just click on this create button. After you click on the create button, now it will give you this interface. All you have to do now, if you want to import a video from your PC, just click on this, make sure you are in this media and then go to this media again. So click on this import button. So from there it will take you to your PC. Here it will allow you now to go ahead and locate a folder where you save your video files and your audio. So for me, let's say I want to import a picture, so I will just click on this. After I just click on the picture or a video you want to import, just click on this open button. So from there it will open the picture for you. So now if you want to add the picture to your timeline, just go ahead and drag the picture like this and add it to your timeline. So now if you want to add another like if you want to import another video or another picture, just click on this import button. So from there it will take you to your PC again. So let's say now I want to go back to my PC. So let's say I want to import now this audio or this video. So just click on it and click on the button. So now I imported this audio. So if you want to add the audio to your timeline, just drag the audio like this. So if you drag the audio from there, the audio will go straight forward into your timeline. So now you can even import the audio by just clicking on this plus button. If you click on the plus button from there, it will just automatically add your media into your track. So let's say now you want to cut the video or the audio. So all you have to do after you just place your after you place your stick in the a place in a position where you want to cut the clip or the audio. So let's say I want to cut this audio from this section. So here is now my stick. After you click on the audio and your stick is in the direction where you want to cut it, just click on this split. So after you click on the split, now it split your video. So now if you want to delete it, just click on it and press on delete button on your key. From there it will delete the clip for you. So now let's say you finish editing your video, you want to export the video, just click on this export button. So from there, so you can to locate a folder where you want to save your video. So here it will take you to your PC. Now go ahead and locate a place where you want to save your video. So for me, just choose desktop, but you just go ahead and choose a specific location where you can remember. So after you choose the location like desktop, select a folder. So from there, here it is now. Here you can go ahead and choose the resolution of your video. So you can choose 4K, 2K, 1080p, 720. You can choose any one among this resolution. But if you choose 4K, the video it will go like with high quality. So if you choose 4K, your video quality will even more higher. After you choose the quality of your video, then you can scroll all the way to down. Just click on this export. From there, your video will start watching. And if this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Meet the next video.